Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine. For today's video, I am going to be giving you guys my eyebrow routine. I mean, not everyone is going to love my eyebrows, and I really accept that because I do have a little bit on the thicker side, but I did want to show you guys my new updated eyebrow routine. I think my last one that I did was like a year ago, so I'm super excited to give you guys my new eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, if you guys are interested in my eyebrow routine, then definitely keep on watching. Okay loves, so let's get started with this eyebrow routine. So first I want to show you guys some of the eyebrow products that I absolutely love, because I did want to show you guys different types of eyebrow products that I love to use on my eyebrows. I mean, I do stick to one sometimes. Like sometimes I would like a pomade or a cream, and sometimes I would like a pencil. So it depends how I feel that day, but I did want to show you guys some of the favorites that I have. So the first one that I've been using, and this is the one that I've been using every single day since I got it, and it's the NYX Professional Makeup. This is the Precision Brow Pencil, and I got the shade, this is Espresso. Now their shade range is kind of a little bit off, because when I first bought this I got medium brown, thinking okay, it's gonna go well with my hair because my hair is dark, whatever, and it does have a little bit of a highlights to it, so it might just match. No, that had such an orangey tint to the pencil, and I was like, oh no, I have to go a little bit darker. So I had to get the Espresso, and this is the one right here, and then you just pull it up, and then that's the brush right there. It reminds me of the Anastasia one a lot, and the Anastasia is awesome too, but this one is a very inexpensive and it works just as well, and it's creamy, which is awesome. I absolutely love creamy brow pencils. I'm not a fan of waxy ones because I feel like they don't work well with my eyebrows, but I absolutely love this one. It limits the time that I have to fill in my eyebrows. I can fill them in like 5 minutes, which is awesome. And then it also has the spoolie at the end, and I think this one was $8 or $9. I'm not exactly sure the price, but I will leave it here somewhere that you guys can know. But I did get this like a few weeks ago, and I've been obsessed ever since. Like, this has been my go-to for the last few weeks, and this is the one that I'm going to be using today to show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. And then the next favorite is this one from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Brow Pencil in Bangin' Brunette. Absolutely love this. This is not waxy at all. It's very creamy, and it comes like that. It's a very fine, thin pencil, which I also love. I love thin ones, and I also like the little bit thicker one, but it also has the spoolie at the end, and this one is very inexpensive. I think it was $7 for this brow pencil. You can't go wrong. Very inexpensive, and it's very good on the eyebrows. It lasts me all day. If you ask me, it lasts me absolutely all day. I think I used this during the summer when I was going to the water parks, and this lasts on my eyebrows for a very long time. So I absolutely recommend this if you want to get a very inexpensive brow pencil. I recommend that one. Another one is a brow cream. Now, I'm not a fan of brow creams, but I love this one, and that is why I'm going to mention it to you guys, because if you're a fan of brow creams and not pencils, then I definitely recommend this one. This is the e.l.f. Let me make sure. This is the e.l.f. Brow Cream, and this is in the shade medium brown. If you guys can tell, I have been using it because it's really, really good. Like I said, I'm not a fan of brow creams, but I love this one. This one is so good on the eyebrows. It lasts me a very, very long time, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I think this one is like $4, $5. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but it's very inexpensive, and you can find it in any drugstore. So if you love brow creams, I definitely recommend this one. It's very, very good. So yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. I know I just wanted to show you guys some of the products that I love to use on my eyebrows, and yeah, so we're gonna jump into the eyebrow tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I already filled in this one. All I have to do is clean it up, and I'm gonna fill in this one with you guys right now. So let's get started. Okay, love, so we are completely done with the eyebrows. Let me know down below what you guys think, if you guys love some of these products, or what are your favorite eyebrow products, because I would love to know. I love to try out new eyebrow products here and there, just find another gem hidden. So I would love to know some of your favorites, and leave some of your favorites down below in the comment section. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this eyebrow routine. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.